Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, Microsoft Recruitment 2020 for freshers as software engineer, and BE, BTech, ME and MTech are eligible for this. Before moving on to the details of Microsoft Recruitment, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Moving further to Microsoft recruitment. So Microsoft is hiring freshers for software engineer position, and BE, BTech, ME, MTech are eligible to apply. This is about Microsoft. We all know that Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology company with headquarters in Redmond, Washington. It develops, manufactures, licenses, supports, and sells computer software, consumer electronics, personal computer, and related services. Its best known software products are Microsoft Windows line of operating systems, Microsoft Office Suite, the Internet Explorer, and Edge web browsers. So it was the world's largest software maker by revenue. The word Microsoft is a portmanteau of microcomputer and software. Microsoft Off-Campus Drive 2020. Company's name is Microsoft. Job profile is software engineer. Degree needed is BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Experience needed is 0 to 4 years. This is the eligibility criteria, which consists of qualifications: BE, BTech, ME or MTech, skilled in C programming, knowledgeable in C hash, object-oriented, Python and scripting languages, skilled in user mode multi-threaded programming, knowledge in user kernel mode interfaces, good communication skills for understanding what features and for describing findings. Ability to meet Microsoft customer and/or government security screening requirements are required for this role. This position will be required to pass the Microsoft Cloud background check upon hire transfer and every 2 years and thereafter. This is about the job description. So they are seeking a motivated software engineer who is passionate about working in cloud scale distributed system spanning hundreds of thousands of nodes. These are the responsibilities: develop and manage Windows-based stack service C hash, develop and manage Linux application stack, develop automation tools. How to apply? We have provided a link here. You will click on the link and you will move to another web page where the direct links will be provided for applying for this job. So as you can see, they have also provided all the information regarding this profile, responsibilities, qualifications and everything. So you'll click on apply now and you'll move to another web page. So they're asking you to sign in. You will have to obviously sign into your accounts with Microsoft, Facebook or any other social website, and you'll be registered for the job. After that, you'll receive a mail through Microsoft for other informations regarding interview or the tests preparation and all the information. Moving on to Fresher Camp website, so we have provided all the details on our official website. You can also refer to the website if you have any queries. Link for applying for this Microsoft Recruitment 2020 is provided in the description, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.